Welcome to this channel. This is a complete tutorial. Here you will get learn how to install Apache Tomcat web server and configure on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to get more tutorials. Let's get started by downloading Apache Tomcat 10 from its official website. Download tar archive file. I already have downloaded it on my machine, and also download Java JDK from oracle.com, or you can download OpenJDK. Download JDK tar archive file from here. Okay, and then go to download folder and extract Apache Tomcat to a directory where you want to store, and then extract JDK. Okay, now I'm going to move this to directory on my home directory. Okay, now you can change the directory name. Okay, let's set up the JDK path environment variable. Copy these lines and then open terminal. Now type this command to open profile file with nano text editor, and then scroll down, and here set the Java home path environment variable. Okay, now paste here. Okay, and then go back to JDK directory and then bin subdirectory, open properties, and then copy this path, and here paste this path on the JDK installation directory position. Okay, and then set the Catalina home. Follow this installation instruction from here. Now go back to home directory and then navigate to bin subdirectory, and then open properties and copy the path of the Apache Tomcat 10 directory. Okay, now export Catalina home. And then set the class path here. Java home /bin subdirectory. Okay, and then export class path. Now save this file. Now reload profile or restart the computer to apply the changes. Reload the profile with this command. Okay. To set up the Java home path environment variable permanently, restart the computer. Okay. Now navigate to Tomcat bin subdirectory by cd, and then start the Apache Tomcat web server with this command startup.sh, hit enter. Okay, now open the web browser and browse this URL, localhost, enter the port number 8080. That's it. Apache Tomcat web server installed successfully. Now I am going to configure the Apache Tomcat web server so that we can access the Manager-App graphical user interface. We need to set up a username and password for Manager graphical user interface. So go back to the root directory of Apache Tomcat web server and then navigate to config and then open tomcat users.xml file with any text editor. Okay, and then go to bottom of this file and then click on cancel. Okay, now copy this XML code and then paste here. Okay, now enter the username that you want, Tomcat Manager, and enter the password for Tomcat Manager. My case. Okay, now save this file and then close and stop the Tomcat server by this command, shut down. Okay, and then restart again. Now reload and try to access Manager graphical user interface. Here enter the username Tomcat Manager, enter the password that you have provided. That's it. Okay, by this way you can set up the username and password for Host-Manger graphical user interface. Here you must notice the role name for Manager-App is Manager GUI and for Host-App is Admin GUI. Okay, Tomcat admin, and here change the password that you want. Okay, now save this file and then go back to root directory of Apache Tomcat web server and then navigate to bin subdirectory and shut down the Apache Tomcat web server and restart again. Okay, now reload and try to access Host-Manger. Tomcat admin, enter the password. That's it. Okay, now access server status with the admin ID. Okay, if you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.